Guys, I'm using a different camera this time. If you probably noticed the better lighting and the better sound and all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, my video camera right here ran out of batteries, so I'm using a different camera. So yeah, this is the review for the M18, but it's really the Glock. I got it for 10 bucks at the flea market. It's a decent gun. It shoots about 180 FPS or something. Really good. It's electric and full auto, so it's blowback too. Really good. But yeah, the clip is really weird. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can set this down and show you what it looks like. Hold on. I don't know, the clip is really weird. It's like a banana clip or something. And the battery's going here.
She's been gone 3 days and she moved to another state. Okay, we're not moving on. I don't need Susie Crab. I might not even answer it. Oh, hi, Mom. I'm out of my heart on horses by a girl that lives 200 miles away. And you have tips. If your guy wants to know about girls and what makes them tick, check out these tips.
I'll do a firing test on all my weapons pretty soon, like all my airsoft guns. But yeah, just head down to your nearest flea market, or you could probably order it on AirSplat for a lot more. But I got mine for about 10 bucks. Really good, high-end gun, metal gearbox. It's like polyurethane, really good plastic. The whole gun, besides the gearbox, which is full metal. But yeah, really good gun. It even says Glock right here. And the fire selection's right here. But yeah, this is full auto. See what I mean? That's what happens if you let go of the trigger. It pauses. Hold on. It gets stuck in the firing position, like it gets stuck like this. Hold on. It gets stuck like this. And you just have to fire it one time and it'll go. But yeah, that's the only downside to it, is if you let go of the trigger too late, it gets stuck back. Like that. But yeah, really good gun, $10, flea market. And I'm doing a shooting test tomorrow. I will see y'all later.